Hey, and today we'll be connecting your domain to any hosting provider using cPanel in more detail than in our other video. Some hosting do this automatically, but some don't. You can also use this if you want to add additional domains on your existing hosting plan. All of my videos are quick and straightforward to the point website setting up. So if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing. With that out of the way, let's get straight into how to connect a domain to cPanel. Last time I mentioned that to connect a domain, you need to change the name servers to what the host gives you. This is still true, but there are a few more little things you need to change to make this work. To start, you'll need to change your name servers like we just said. Now to tell us how to do this, we're going to cut back to the other video where I explained this. So first you want to open your email you got from your hosting provider, in my case Namecheap. Find what says name servers, or it might be abbreviated to NS. These are what tells the domain where to send the user or client. If you don't have these set up properly, then your domain will show an error page. Go into a domain provider, in my case GoDaddy, or anybody who sells domain names, and find where it says change name servers, or something similar to that. If you can't find this, then search into Google how to do this, or drop a comment below and I will help you. Now that they are changed, it might take a while for them to propagate. Propagation is where the domain is updating worldwide, and in some cases can take up to 48 hours. To check if yours is updated yet, you can go to dnschecker.org, type in your domain and select NS from the drop down menu, then click search. In the section next to one of the countries, it should show the new NS servers. If it still shows something that you don't recognise, then it means they're not propagated yet. And check back every couple hours because they should update quite quickly. Thanks past me. Now what we need to do is we need to head to cPanel. If you're unsure of how to do this, check our previous video which lists how to get into it. Once you're logged in, scroll down to the domain section and click on the first link called Domains. Then select Create a new domain. Enter your domain. For now, we will keep the document the same. If this is your first domain, ignore this setting. If it is not, then this means the previous domain will look the same as the new domain. If you want to have two completely separate websites, uncheck this box and enter your own name. For instance, second_HTML. Once the new domain name is added, they are now completely connected and will work together. Please be aware that this might take a couple of days to propagate, so it might not appear straight away. You can now create email accounts using that domain and change many other settings. I hope this helps you set up your domain, and if you need any more help, email me or comment down below. Thanks for watching this quick setting up name servers video, and stay tuned for the next one.